The sun. It's big, bright, and incredibly important. Without the sun, Earth would be a cold, dark, and lifeless place. It's the reason we have life on Earth. The sun is a star, just like the tiny twinkling dots you see in the night sky. But the sun is much closer to us, so it appears much larger and brighter. The sun is the center of our solar system. All the planets, including Earth, orbit around it like dancers around a giant bonfire. The sun's gravity keeps everything in place, from massive Jupiter to tiny asteroids. Just like us, the sun had a beginning. It wasn't always shining brightly in the sky. Billions of years ago, the sun formed from a giant cloud of gas and dust. Imagine a cloud in space, but much, much bigger. This cloud was so big that it could hold thousands of suns. This cloud started to collapse under its own gravity. As it collapsed, it spun faster and faster, just like a spinning top. The spinning caused the center of the cloud to heat up. Eventually, the center became so hot and dense that nuclear fusion began. And that's how the sun was born. So what is the sun made of? Imagine a giant ball of gas, mostly hydrogen and helium. Hydrogen is the simplest and most common element in the universe. Helium is the second most common. These two gases make up over 98% of the sun. Inside the sun's core, hydrogen atoms are constantly colliding and fusing together. This process releases enormous amounts of energy in the form of light and heat. That's what makes the sun shine. The sun is about halfway through its life. Don't worry, it still has billions of years left to shine. Like all stars, the sun goes through different stages in its life. Right now, it's in its main sequence stage, where it will stay for billions of years. Eventually, the sun will run out of hydrogen fuel in its core. When this happens, it will start to expand and cool, becoming a red giant. This red giant will be so big that it will engulf Mercury, Venus, and even Earth. Section 5. Solar Surprises, New Discoveries. Scientists are constantly learning new things about the sun. Did you know that the sun has a magnetic field? It's like a giant bar magnet. This magnetic field is responsible for sunspots, solar flares, and coronal mass ejections. Recently, scientists discovered that the sun's atmosphere, called the corona, is much hotter than its surface. This is a mystery that scientists are still trying to solve. They are also studying the solar wind, a stream of charged particles that constantly flows from the sun. Section 6. The sun's energy powering our world. The sun's energy is essential for life on Earth. Plants use sunlight to make their own food through photosynthesis. Animals, including humans, get their energy by eating plants or other animals that eat plants. The sun's energy also drives our weather patterns, ocean currents, and climate. It's the reason we have wind, rain, and seasons. Without the sun's energy, Earth would be a very different place. Section 7. The sun's influence, from day and night to auroras. The sun's influence extends far beyond just providing light and warmth. Its rotation gives us our days and nights. The Earth spins on its axis, and as it does, different parts of the Earth face the sun. The side facing the sun experiences daylight, while the side facing away experiences night. The sun also causes the beautiful auroras, also known as the northern and southern lights. These dazzling displays of light occur when charged particles from the sun collide with gases in Earth's atmosphere. Section 8. Unlocking the sun's secrets, the future of solar research. Scientists are always striving to learn more about the sun. They use telescopes on Earth and in space to observe the sun in different wavelengths of light. They also send spacecraft to study the sun up close. Future research will focus on understanding the sun's magnetic field, its impact on Earth, and the mysteries of its corona. By studying the sun, we can learn more about our place in the universe and how stars work. Section 9. The sun's future, a peek into the distant future. While the sun will continue to shine for billions of years, it won't last forever. Eventually, it will exhaust all of its fuel and transform into a white dwarf, a small, dense remnant of its former self. But that's billions of years in the future. For now, we can appreciate the sun's warmth, light, and the vital role it plays in our lives. It's a reminder of the incredible power and beauty of the universe we live in.